सर सर आज आपका पर्पस का विजिट का पर्पस और एक मेजर क्वेश्चन है कि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशन ऑन द लीडरशिप चेंज इन गोवा, उसके बारे में कुछ डिसीजन हुआ है?
That will be decided by the party leader, high command.
बट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन. वो anything has been decided presently about the leadership
Whatever
change
is
in Goa?
that will be decided by party high command. We are continuing the work.
Okay. And secondly, in the recent assembly that was held in Goa, somehow the Goans are feeling that the Congress MLAs as the opposition was not up to the mark. So anything that you want to say? There are questions being raised with that.
No, I think many issues have been taken up effectively, even in the assembly, outside the assembly, on many of the issues. So our party has been very aggressive, and in the assembly also, I think all opposition parties, with the Congress also, have done their best. But the CM of Goa has not run the assembly in a proper manner, and no bills have been discussed properly, no time given, and simply passing it without any discussion, bringing it last minute. These are all completely wrong actions by the CM of Goa. Important bills should be discussed. What is the need to rush through all those bills? So I think I demand that the Chief Minister either should reconvene the assembly and have a proper discussion, or stall these bills and appoint a select committee to discuss all those things. So I think that is important. Everything should be debated and discussed.
At the hotel? Okay. What time do you? Yeah.